The 2017 Nissan Qashqai, known as the Rogue Sport in the US, represents a pivotal year for the model. It received a significant, mid-cycle refresh that updated its styling, refined its interior, and added advanced safety tech. Below is a comprehensive breakdown designed to give you a deep dive understanding of the vehicle, covering everything from the oily bits to the daily livability. 1. The 2017 refresh. What changed? The 2017 model year is often split into two versions, the Series 1 and the facelifted Series 2. The facelift introduced the V-Motion grille, a much bolder, deeper chrome V on the front. Revised lighting, slimmer, boomerang, LED daytime running lights and redesigned 3D effect rear lights. Interior upgrades, a new D-shaped flat bottom, steering wheel and higher quality materials on the dash and doors. Quietness, Nissan added extra sound deadening material and thicker rear glass to reduce cabin noise. 2. Engine and performance. Depending on your region, you likely have one of these four main power plants. 4. Safety. The arrival of ProPilot. 2017 was the year Nissan began rolling out ProPilot, its semi-autonomous driving suite. Capabilities. On highways, it can control steering, acceleration, and braking in a single lane. Safety shield. Standard or optional across most trims were blind spot warning, rear cross traffic alert, and intelligent emergency braking with pedestrian recognition. 5. What to watch out for. Common issues. If you are buying one today, be aware of these documented Qashqai quirks. Battery failures. The factory-fitted FIAMM batteries were notoriously weak. Many owners found themselves stranded after just 2 years. Most should have been replaced by now with more reliable Bosch X-side units. 1.2L oil consumption. The 1.2-liter petrol engine is known to consume oil at a higher rate than expected. Check the dipstick frequently. CVT hesitation. If looking at an automatic, check for any juddering or hesitation when pulling away, as early CVT units could be temperamental. Clogged DPF. Like all modern diesels, if the car is only used for short city trips, the diesel particulate filter DPF will clog. These cars need a 20-minute highway run once a week to self-clean. Summary. Pros and cons. The good, extremely comfortable ride, one of the best bump soakers in its class. Very quiet cabin due to upgraded soundproofing in the 2017 facelift. High safety ratings and easy-to-use tech, 360-degree cameras are a standout. The bad, infotainment system looks like a 2010 throwback. The 1.2L engine can feel underpowered when the car is fully loaded. Rear visibility is poor, relying heavily on the cameras.